morning, and today we're at Pleasurewood Hills for Jurassic June. We'll see you on the inside.
Some other dinosaurs will be out.
Blue, isn't it? Classic road.
I've got to get a bigger one. Thank you.
Don't worry, Loti will be back out later to say hello to you all.
Do you want to say hello before I take him in for a snack? This one's called Kevin. And this is our Carnotaurus, and he's only 4 months old at the moment, so he's still very, very young.
Right then, Loti, come on then. Do you want a photo? I think the plan's Loti the rider.
Oh!
So that's some of the dinosaurs as you walk in, greeting people and getting to take a photo of them and stuff. So we'll head over to see what ride we're going to do. So when we come in, we've got given this, which is I'm guessing display times. So you've got Raptor, we'll go and see some of these. 10:15, probably missed that one to be fair. But we'll check out some of the other shows and we'll film it. Cheers on the tenders. I don't like drop towers. Queue's full for Cannonball Express.
I'm going to get him.
I don't think the back seat's working. Two people down. Unless I was at the group. While we're waiting for the dinosaur show to start, might as well get a little bit of white out. Everyone loves a little bit of white out. I know it's pink sauce first.
Ankylosaurus. Very friendly, she's a herbivore. Now she's actually the biggest Ankylosaurus in Europe, so you won't see one bigger anywhere else. Very friendly. Just stay away from her tail. You see, she uses it a bit like a club to hit away all of the big T-Rex and Velociraptors, but with you, she's not. Good, yeah. Have you? You've got a toy of her? Amazing.
Do you want to go and stroke her? Oh.
Oh, it's okay. She's just saying hello. Very good. Just a wee wander. We're not going too far, Angie. Come over to the left a bit, that. There we go, Angie. Watch it. What? I thought we were staying here. We were going for a nice walk.
Could try and get some of the little things in today what we don't normally get in. Like the waterfall, not working unfortunately. Castle theatres. Who can remember everything that's ever been shown in there? I'll let you answer that in the comments. I was walking down to the old stage, which I'm sure used to be Spider-Man or something. Unfortunately, I don't think this is going to get used anymore. I mean, it's a bit overgrown and dirty. But our favourite ride, the ski lift, isn't open yet. I'm guessing that'll be about an hour or so. And we'll sit on there and do some TikToks. Or just go live on TikTok. Not decided yet. I mean, they've added a few more bits. Like they've got a saloon over there. That horse and carriage, I don't remember, was there. Slowly add more throughout the season, it's always good. And the cars look like they've been painted as well. Always a bonus. I'm making some new friends over here on the safari. Yeah, ostrich and giraffes. No, I'm not sure the snake's new. It might be. I know there was a snake there. Here comes the car. It's that black one again. They've definitely been repainted though. The old pond thing looks a bit low and dirty. Maybe they're going to be adding something new over here. Pretty sure that old raft ride used to be over here somewhere. Who remembers the old boat ride where you went for a tunnel, if I remember correctly? Or a bridge? Well, no, it was definitely a tunnel. You went for a bridge, tunnel. Who remembers what it was called? I think it was here somewhere. You got good old Moby Dick. Who likes a ride on the old Moby Dick? Could have seen a sign here, look. Red Maple Landscaping, Design and Build. Free advertisement there for them. Only got to about here though, it looks a bit mumble jumble down there still, but maybe we're going to do more as time goes on. Not a very big T-Rex.
Dinosaur claws.
T-Rex. So I need to go to the car, charge paying for a bit. I was on TikTok live for the Sea Lion show. I mean, you wanted to see it, you should have to go. Oh, you can't now because it's finished.
On to our days out.
Yeah, you got days out TikTok.
Snippets of it.
You can go and watch that on there. That's on TikTok.
Only snippets, not the full thing.
But I'm going to go to the car now, charge paying for half hour. I don't want to carry the power bank round, it's heavy. And awkward and lumpy in your pocket. Like. Yeah, we'll go on that a bit later. My favourite ride is casually sit. Exactly. And we'll see you in a bit.
Good job. Come on in, folks. We'll get a picture of you two together if you like.
That was the old entrance for the old pedal boats that used to be there. Not there anymore. Maybe they'll get a different use of the lake. But the old cannon fireball site, they've got like a circus tent going up there in the summer.
I said, are you okay?
So that's something new, at least for the summer. Well, select dates during the summer, it says something going on there. The old egg-spress. Make a test drive. Now in the queue for the Sky Ride. Quite big actually, the queue. That's a nice relaxing little ride over the park. We'll see what shots we get. We might just go live on TikTok, but we'll see.
The pond over there?
Yeah, that's where Spider-Man used to jump into on the pond. I don't think he'll be jumping into that pond.
I might get like cholera.
I was live on TikTok, but the signal's really bad today, so I've given up. So I do apologise for the people what was watching. I don't know.
But it's cold and wet.
But it is raining now, so I'm going to put this in my pocket for a little while. Enjoy. The bird is going for a free ride on the cable.
Lazy bird.
When did that park get removed? I swear that park was there not too long ago. Could be wrong. Oh, that's a bit wobbly. Nearly at the end. Got the old sand perler flight thing, what it was called. Kite flyer. Just looked up the name, I saw it over there. Whatever. Well, that's our day here at Pleasurewood Hills done. Went on virtually every ride, which is good. All rides are going, apart from Dodgems. But, yeah. So until the next video on the weekend, not sure where we're going yet, but it will be somewhere. We'll see you then. Toodles.
20 minutes later.
Just wanted to add something at the end. We just got a burger each from the, 1 second, Smoky Joe's. Even though it comes to £22, it isn't a problem. But I got a American style burger thing, and Tegan got a chicken burger. But what was your burger?
It was a chicken bacon burger.
It was a chicken bacon
But
burger.
instead of my chicken fillets, I had a beef burger.
Yeah. So this chicken's now beef. Other than that, it was alright. Quite expensive, but it was alright for what it was. But
Yeah, I don't really like beef burgers.
you wanted chicken, didn't you?
Yeah.
Just thought we'd add that at the end, because, you know, thought we'd let you know. Just be careful and check your order before you get back to your car with your food.